1981, Lee has donated upwards of 1.2 billion Hong Kong dollars to Shantou University. Annually, it costs $120 million to run. 30% of the money comes from the Guangdong provincial government, the rest from Lee.
我哋就覺得哇！成個大校園冚唪唥佢俾錢起嘅，咁最少限度有個唔係叫李嘉誠大學個禮堂好中心啊，係嘛？叫李嘉誠堂好應該，咁唔得，唔準。咁我就有呢個 idea 啦。我而家暫時叫未明堂。 等到有一日佢肯俾我哋嘅擠個名上嘅時候咧，我咪就叫嘉誠堂咯。咁我哋同阿李嘉誠講嗱，我哋叫未明堂好唔好啊？我就唔知道阿李嘉誠點樣知道呢個故事，呢個橋啊！係未明堂都唔準叫，只可以叫大禮堂。咁啊，到今日為止仍然係大禮堂。
一切都是向好的一条路途。我们现在面对有什么困难的问题？
现在面对的就是我们如何尽快的争取到我们的博士点，一定要让我们的学校上个层次。因为有一个很大的问题在什么地方呢？就是我们要引进博士导师的时候，他们就有顾虑了，因为到我们这儿地方来就没有博士生可带了。
这个点卡是在哪一个人手上？
那就国家就
国家学委员会。 如果按他的规矩的话，我们要8届硕士，我们才4届，就应该到2001年的时候，我们才有资格去申请。
那就没道理。
我们新办的学校嘛，这一条一定给他
没有道理，
他可能又变的。
他这个没什么道理的，就是今天晚上在晚饭之前，我还以为说就是大家。 如果我们有个突破的项目，那么重点大学就容易批准给我们。对，现在看起来也不是一定。
Lee's hope is to have Shantou University become one of the key universities in China. But for 17 years, many of his plans have been thwarted by bureaucracy, and the university has not developed as well as he expected. Every time he visits, it seems, he's met by new problems.
間大學係可以做得好好，根本自己你要實至名歸。但你行嗰個真係實至名歸、老老實實咁上去，究竟幾時佢先攞到批准？好多時候有個制度呢，你都唔能夠隨心所欲，你都要有耐性，要慢慢去解釋，先希望做得好。 问题就是这样，如果你没有给我这个博士点，啊，那么我们怎么去请好的人才来？校长就希望我什么信，我签个名，什么平常我就不讲出来。那今天呢，这不写在记录里啊，我今天忍不住我讲出来，在为了上代签名签信上北京都不知道几多次。 那我个人来讲，所有我公司内部的业务，有的是项目是200个亿的，叫我签一个名我都不可能。我说搞得通就搞，搞不通就不做吧。叫我签名我不签，因为哪一个是撞击？这个博士点的问题，就希望卢省长你现在戴了2个帽子，更加有加倍啊，更加。那么厅长。 你也大家尽力去看看怎么样。如果不能的话，你再花多一点金钱，你再照这个老规矩来搞路途远啊，涉河之清啊，人寿几何，是吗？
The population of 10 million in the Chuchao-Shantou area could finally boast a university of their own in 1981, and 2 years later, a medical school. It was Lee's childhood dream to be a doctor. Failing to realize that dream, he'd always hoped to be of help to the sick and poor, and the medical school fulfilled his ambition.
我同你講件嘢，你唔信嘅。呢度都有證人，鍾世平生喺咪度啊？啊，你知唔知啊？1967年嘅時候，嗱佢證明，因為我本來唔記得佢北京大學嘅，佢講出嚟。1967年嘅時候，香港咪暴動咯，文化大革命，我就揾著佢，因為鍾生係由國內派出去嘅。我話我想捐間醫院喺汕頭，我話知道呢度嘅醫療咧嘅情況好差。咁誒當時同佢講咗，我同佢講，我話將支票咧簽咗銀碼，寫咗名，俾邊個我都唔寫。我話世界如果你唔講咧，就冇人知嘅，因為我私人支票。咁啊後尾佢做唔到啊，即係個心理就係咁樣，即係知道咧，你做醫療嘅嘢係對自己嘅國家、對自己嘅民族有利嘅，政權係另外一件事嘅。
The first affiliated hospital is the teaching hospital of Shantou University Medical School. Many of its advanced facilities were personally selected by Li. The first affiliated hospital has been graded by the Ministry of Health as one of the top 100 hospitals in China, and Li has equally high expectations of the newly completed second affiliated hospital.
起碼依間之後呢，就道理唔應該增加病床啦。依家已經有1700張病床，都對社會有一個好好嘅交代啦。